Hi, limited stock, limited stock, limited stock. It is Vichitra silk blouses. There are 5 colors. Height 14 inches. Size up to 40. Work rose gold embroidery and sequins. Yes, it is padded and it is lining one. Then its pattern is Sabyasachi. If anyone need, please DM me. Thank you. Kindly follow my designs one and one.